Welcome to YOUCANIC. Here we're going to show how to replace passenger window in a Mercedes GL 550. So we've already removed the door panel. And we're going to show you got these two access panels. You have to pop a cover off here, pop a cover off here. Then we got to lower the window down a little bit so that we can loosen just and these are two T30s. You gotta just loosen those enough that everything comes loose. Then you're gonna lower the window all the way down. And be able to shimmy that sideways and pull it right out. And then we put a new one back in the same order. All right, now to reinstall it, we're going to shimmy it back in. Get it up in the channel, raise it up, and then we got to raise the window regulator up. Well, anyway, so we've raised it up. We'd set this bag down in here, and there's going to be some rubber grommets on both sides. This one happens to be a little bit, we got to find it. But anyway, you would set it back in there and tighten it up till it's good and snug. Not too tight, otherwise you break the whole window. And then you go ahead and raise it up, go ahead and put everything back in. It's good to go. Thank you for watching.